Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5245P. It's a 2017 Ram regular cab long box 4-wheel drive with 195 for K. Nice clean little well outfitted truck. Got some nice options. There's also a power inverter mounted between the seats there. Full 8-foot box. It's got shelving here on the passenger side. Up top, we've got a ladder rack capable of housing 3 ladders. There's also lots of room back here. Cargo bed slide, 1,500-pound capacity. There's lots of room back there for your materials, whether that be furnaces, water heaters, air conditioners, reels of cable, Milwaukee packouts, anything you might be lugging around. Again, nice shelving here on the driver's side as well. So full 8-foot box, 4-wheel drive, super handy truck to have for any sort of in-town service work for your electrical contracting company, plumbing and heating company. Again, this is stock number 5245P, a 2017 Ram 1500 regular cab long box 4x4.